Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make and also give you tips on selling a coloring book that you can create on your own with DGB.lol. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in DGB.lol. On the left hand side, you're going to tap on tools, and these are all the free tools. Now you can come down here and you'll see that there's a coloring book images creator. Go ahead, click on that, and this is the interface you'll see. Now, one of the nice things about DGB.lol is it's very simple, straightforward. So let's go ahead and upload an image that we'd like to turn into a color page. I'm going to select an image of some shoes, and here you can select the details level. Now, you can see over here right now it is in the middle, and this means like on an image like this, you see all of the little details, the laces and all the patterns and whatever. You want to maybe push that up a little bit higher. Maybe also for faces, you want to, if you want more detail, you can go ahead and push that up. If you want simple illustrations, maybe for toddlers, and children, maybe you can push it down so that it's a simpler version. Ultimately, once you've done that, let's go and click on submit. Now from here you will see it says your task has been queued, and on the left hand side you'll see my files. Now the blue number 1, that is my task that is now being queued. So let's go ahead and click on my files. You'll see it says queued next, so this will take a few seconds to actually process, and once it's done, we'll pop back in here. Okay, that only took a few seconds. You can now go ahead and you can download it as an SVG. You can see over here the operations details, essentially, and let's go ahead and download it. Alright, so it does need some work, and my suggestion is that you play around with the details slider so that you can get it just right.